So guys, just reached the town of Gokarna. It's pretty much like a mini Goa, and a lot of temples, like you can see. A lot of pilgrims are just walking past, and yeah, the feel is completely going. Also, look at these small gullies. Still, there are rickshaws, cars, even like big Mahindra cars that fit through here. People, cows, pilgrims, everyone just walking around in the same space. This is the Mahabaleshwar temple, which is very popular here. Most of the pilgrims come here. Basically, गोकर्णा एक टेम्पल टाउन है और ये यहाँ का मेन टेम्पल है. The road leading to Gokarna beach has a line of shops selling you everything from clothes, spices, and even acupuncture stuff. As we looked for interesting things, one person caught my eye. Meet Abdullah. Abdullah runs a small music shop in Gokarna. He has dedicated the last 6 years of his life to hand making musical instruments. He makes everything from the tabla, the hang drum, the didgeridoo, and even the djembe. He claims that he makes it better than any international supplier. He's very enthusiastic about music and will patiently show you each and every instrument he has made. And on request, he even plays it for you.
कैसे आ रही है?
Guys, I've just ended up buying this and this fedora. I just bought this from the guy who was running the musical shop because he let me shoot, and if you take someone's time, whether that be a street artist or anybody, if you get to shoot them, always drop them some money or help them out by buying something on their shops. It's only $100, but it goes a long way for them. Check out these things that you can put on your wall in your room. All of them, but this Om one is the one that glows in the dark. Quite interesting to put in your room. I'll give you one piece of advice. That shop in Gokarna, do not come here with a lot of clothes and all. It's so cheap. I literally just now got boxers, shorts, t-shirts, $100 each. Yeah, the shorts were $200. I had no intention, but abhi mil gayi. So I was like, why not, yaar? So now we're just heading to one restaurant that the locals have suggested for food, and then I need to rush to catch the train as well. Taking up the recommendation of the locals, we ate at Prema, a small veg restaurant right beside Gokarna beach. The restaurant is known for its local delicacies and is very cost effective. Do try their homemade ice cream for dessert. I totally recommend this place to everyone who visits Gokarna. Getting late, it was finally time to say goodbye. With a heavy heart, I left Gokarna for the station. But I had made some amazing memories and some awesome friendships in the bargain. And I do promise to return to this place again.